Hi guys, welcome back. So today we have another unboxing of a watch, a Tissot PRX Powermatic 80. I bought that recently from my vacations in Turkey. Really love that watch and really waited for this watch for a long time. I mean, it's an automatic. They do have cords in it, which came first in it, but I prefer automatic and really like the design and the elegance of the shop watch. So let's unbox the watch and see what's inside this. It's a normal Tissot box, as you can see from both ends, and red with black, and opens. And first comes the watch. Really love this watch. Really cool looking watch this is. And with all the white backgrounds in the box, the cushion, and this is all steel. Very good watch, as you can see over here. Really like the dial in it and the bracelet as well, as you can see. We'll talk about this watch in a minute, but let's see what we have in the box. The remaining, it has two openings from there. Over here we have all the books and the manual for the watch, very big manual in different languages, and some extra hinges. Not extra actually, it came out from the watch to fit on my wrist. I like tight fitting, so that was the reason I had to take them out. And let's see over here. And this is the warranty card. It comes with international warranty for 2 years. Really cool stuff. And this is all this is in the box. And the cushion fix over here gets fixed up over here. It has small hinges. Now, I'll figure it out later onwards. Let's move on towards the watch. So this is a Tissot automatic, and it has a 3-day power reserve, which is very good and not that expensive, and very elegant looking watch this is. Talking about the bracelet, really cool looking bracelet it has. I mean, reminds me of old Rolex model, and similar to, I mean, most of the reviews I've seen on the YouTube, I mean, they are talking about the AP or the icon. Yeah, they are similar in the dial substance and everything. The dial is more like AP Roylock, and best thing is it has a back opening over here. I mean, you can see all the mechanical inside, and a cool looking watch. Let me wear it. It has a lock-in system, not the other ones. So really fits well and goes with all the occasions, casual as well, and formal. Everything really looks nice. As you can see, it's getting more. Really love the bracelet all the way around. I mean, I love Roylock, and that was one of the reasons of buying this, because I don't have a Roylock right now, but this is part of it and starting of it. So really cool with the blue dial in it. It has 3 variants, or I think 4: black and gold and white, and this one blue. I prefer blue. I really like blue dials, and really cool watch. One should have this watch in their collection, as you can see. Really cool looking watch it is. It has a time as well, and it has around about 100 meters of water resistance, deep 100 meters. And the looks are, they did made this watch years back, and they reformed it, the Tissot, and brought it next year the quads, and this year they brought this automatic, which is really cool. And the dial itself speaks of it, and though it's similar to AP and Icon, but they are, I love it. I mean, it's a very good watch. I mean, you can wear it daily or in your office, professionally. Really cool looking watch. Yeah. Let me show you again the dial from a little nearby. Really cool. And the bracelet as well. It has all the markings like other watches. Really give a very expensive look, not a cheap look or something like that. As you can see, all the markings, Tissot and everything is there. There you go. It's, I think, 40 millimeters and 11 millimeters from here, and 41 millimeter in total, so it's around about 50 or 52 millimeters in total. There you are. So I'll bring you some other stuff from my new arrivals soon, and I had this for a month now and I wanted to share it with you guys, so I thought why not give it a try and share this watch with you guys and see what you guys think about it. Really cool watch in a good budget. Main thing is it's a budget, and it lies in the budget, and cool looking watch. What else a gentleman needs? So yeah, that's it. So thank you, and I hope you liked the video. And I don't go in so much details of the product, but the point is to show you guys what it is, and I'll be doing that. I'll be keep on doing that with your love and everything. So till next video, take care and goodbye.